Hi UPK, for this next video, and this is my last one today, you need your number poem. And I'm going to use a blank piece of paper today, but you can also use these sheets right here. They have the numbers in them. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this is just to help us remember how to make those tricky numbers. And this is a trick they use in kindergarten. Let's go ahead and just say them. 0. How many does that mean? None. And how do we make a 0? Around, around, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Ooh. What comes after 0? 1. A straight line is fun. It makes a 1. Let's do number 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2. Makes number 2. Number 3. Around the tree. That is how we make a 3. Good. 4. Down and across, then down one more. That is how we make a 4. Let's try 5. Down and around with a hat on top. And I'm going to show you how to make all these numbers in a minute. 6. Down to a loop. 6 rolls on a hoop. Ooh, we're going to see what that looks like. And number 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That is how we make a 7. Number 8. Make an S, but do not wait. Climb back up and make an 8. Good. And number 9. Make a hoop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. So let's see what these numbers look like as we say our number poem. I'm going to use marker so that you can see it. And I'm going to try to turn my camera here so you can see my paper a little bit better as we say the rhyme. Okay. 0. Around and around you go. That is the way to make a 0. So around and around, that's like the shape of what? Like a circle. And we know that when we're talking about different things, it can mean different things. When we're talking about shapes, a 0 is a circle. When we're talking about letters, a 0 looks like an O. And when we're talking about numbers, a 0 is that. Does that look like your 0? Around and around you go. That is the way to make a 0. What comes after 0? 1. A lot of my friends are really good at the number 1, but let's practice the poem. A straight line is fun. It makes a 1. So start at the top and bring your line straight down to make a 1. So 0, 1. What comes next? 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2. Let's try it. So you always start at the top and you make a big scoop up. Scoop up and down and back. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2. See? 2. The next one, around the tree, that is how you make a 3. Around the tree, big 2 scoops, and it's how you make a 3. So, down and across and then some more, that is how you make a 4. So start at the top and we're gonna make a little line down and over. So, down and across. And down once more. So you come back to the top and you make a big line down. That is how you make a 4. Like that. Now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and around with a hat on top. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to make a little line down. Don't forget to scoop it. Down and around. What did we forget? His hat. Oh. There's his hat. Down and around with a hat on top. That's how we make a 5. So now Miss Boyer is going to come all the way down here and start my number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down to a loop, 6 rolls on a hoop. So you always start at the top. So we know that I need a big loop. So make a loop almost like a 0, but then you're gonna scoop it back up inside. Look at that. So you're gonna start here almost like a 0. See that 0? Around, but you know 6 needs a hoop. Whoop. Into the scoop. Now, number 7. Straight across and down from heaven. So number 7 can be tricky. We do know we need to start at the top and we go over in a straight line. But when we make the number 7, we don't come straight down like this. We got to make it at an angle. And across. Across the sky and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7. Now, number 6, 7, 8. This one is the trickiest of tricky numbers. And if you can make this number, you deserve a pat on the back like that. Good job. Ready? Let's try it. Like an S. Who has an S in their name and they're practicing it? This is really good for you. Ready? You start at the top and you make a scoop like an S. Hoop it up and come down. You see my S? But do not wait. Climb back up and make an 8. Ooh, I gotta pick up my paper. Did you see what I did? Almost like an S. A big scoop up, cross, 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 scoop it down, and do not wait. Climb back up and make an 8. Now, the next number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make a 9. What does it say? Make a hoop and then a line. What does a hoop look like? Like a circle, like a 0. But it's got to be little, not big. Little. Ready? Make a hoop. See my circle? And then a line. That is how you make a 9. See that? It's like a circle, but it's little. And then my straight line. So make a hoop. Whoop. Good. And then a line. Down. That is how you make a 9. Oh my goodness, friends. You are practicing so hard. So all these little poems here help us remember sometimes what those tricky numbers look like. So let's go ahead and count from 0 to 9 using my paper. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And we did that just from listening to the number poem and practicing. So if you can do that all by yourself, you're getting so much closer to being ready for kindergarten. So show me all your practicing, okay? Bye, guys.